While we're in a stronger seller's market, there's a wide gap between homes that are ready for the market and those that are not. If you want your home to be a winner on the open market, you probably need to make your home as ready and as attractive as possible to make it sell faster and a higher price. It's a proven fact that the more buyers you get into your home, the higher the price you're going to get. One of the key points is taking care of some of the minor work up front. Right now, with the higher interest rates, the buyers are putting down as much money as they possibly can to afford the homes, so they don't have that extra cash to do the minor repairs once they buy it. So they might ask you during the escrow process to give them a credit or repair it. So let's just go ahead and take care of it now. Do some staging before hitting the market. Think about an ideal modern home. It's clean, it's standardized, it's impersonal. Your goal is to be as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personality to it, like furniture, family photos, or maybe even some off-colored walls. I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so prospective buyers can picture themselves living in your property. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll be ready to move a lot easier than if you didn't. All right, the third thing we need to do is have a plan for your children and pets. If your house is anything like me, you got kids running around, dogs barking, chickens and cats, and the whole 9 yards on the farm. Let's come up with a plan. Maybe it's taking them to the kennel, going for a quick walk, or taking them to a parent or in-law's house. What we want to do is make it as nice and inviting for a buyer when they walk through your home and they're not distracted from all the noise. If you want a detailed showing plan and a list of repairs to do before hitting the market, give me a call and let's discuss. Brian Parsons, 626-340-8050. Talk to you soon.